The daily MACD for Bitcoin crossed bearish for the first time ever in an approximately 130 days, and while this is happening, we are finally seeing a breakout of this very important pattern, while we are seeing that this consolidation phase for Bitcoin is about to come towards an end. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because we will be discussing the most important charts. I will give an update on my current ongoing trade, I will give an update on my upcoming trade, and much more important stuff. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we smash it back above 400 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. Of course, if we're looking at this bigger consolidation phase, we can still see that Bitcoin is creating higher lows while at the same time it's creating lower highs. So in the bigger perspective, Bitcoin is still trading in the middle of this consolidation phase. And the question really remains, when are we going to be breaking below the previous low to confirm a lower low and a break of the uptrend? Or the question is, when are we going to see a break above the previous high in the market and confirm an uptrend for Bitcoin? That is currently still what I'm waiting for on the imminent short term, and this will probably occur somewhat in the coming 24 to 48 hours. At least that is what I'm expecting right now. And of course, once we are going to start breaking out, that is really the point where I would really start to see bigger moves happening for Bitcoin. On the 4-hourly time frame, we already did clearly saw the Bitcoin actually broke below the upward sloping support line on the 4-hourly time frame. This breakdown did occur yesterday on the Sunday, and the move down started yesterday on 10 o'clock around the Sunday. What is actually quite positively, because that means that currently we do not have a CME gap at all for Bitcoin. So yeah, we did still clearly broke down of the pattern. However, it was over the course of the weekend. I should still take it quite seriously, but for me to really give a confirmation on that next bigger move for Bitcoin, I really want to be looking at the consolidation phase, because this consolidation phase will tell us a little bit more about where Bitcoin is exactly going to be moving towards, right? We can also clearly see that Bitcoin is currently retesting still this very important level of previous support that currently is flipping into resistance. And yeah, once we clearly break above this level, that is the point where we could see more potential upside for Bitcoin. So far, we've just not seen this level getting broken, so we have to be a little bit more patient. We have to be very careful, and once we break outside of this range, that is the point where volatility could really start to hit for Bitcoin again. The price target is all the way down to $24,000 to $25,000, and furthermore, we can currently see that my trade is in about $1,800 in profit. It's definitely a nice profit, but it's not really the target I've been waiting for, I've been looking at. So what I will be doing with my trade here is just casually keep it open for now on. Of course, if I see a break of the downtrend and we will start to initiate an uptrend, I'm going to exit my short position, and once Bitcoin breaks further towards the downside, I will be looking to take some more profits off my trade, somewhere around 26 to 25,000 US dollars. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because then you will exactly stay up to date when I will be taking more profits on my trades. I also will be opening up a new gigantic trading position on 24 to 25,000 dollars. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel for that one as well, because I will be opening up this trade live here on the channel. So don't forget, subscribe right now and stay up to date, because my next trade is a gigantic Bitcoin long position. And if you're interested in trading yourself as well, you could check out the links in the description right now, where you can claim insane deposit bonuses for just signing up an account towards any of these exchanges. Furthermore, we can see that Bitcoin is actually creating a 12-hour falling wedge here, and falling wedge is a typical bullish bias reversal pattern. Currently, we can clearly see the breakout has not been occurred yet here, but of course, as soon as we do break outside of the downward sloping trend line, that is really the point where we could start to see more volatility hit the markets. And of course, I am talking towards volatility towards the upside, so I am waiting and looking for this next move here to occur on Bitcoin. If we are going to see that breakout here from that downward sloping trend line, we could see a small little relief towards the upside for Bitcoin. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because once we break these lines here, I will keep you guys posted exactly what is going to be next for Bitcoin. We can also see that actually on the daily time frame, the Bitcoin daily EMA ribbon has been crossing bearish for the first time ever in an approximately 130 days here. Of course, the last time it crossed bearish was 190 days ago, but the last time it was in this bearish momentum phase was in approximately 130 days ago. What is definitely quite a long time ago. And currently we can see that we are trading below the daily EMA ribbon, and then we also had a bearish crossover. So this is very important to pay attention towards, because the last time we had a bearish crossover, Bitcoin dumped significantly towards $15,000. The moment before that we had a bearish crossover was all the way back here in April 2022, and of course at that point, while we were crossing bearish, Bitcoin dumped from $42,000 all the way down towards an approximately $19,000. So it's a very important signal to pay attention towards right now. The Bitcoin daily EMA ribbon is right now crossing bearish, and this could have definitely more bearish effects on the longer perspective for Bitcoin. Of course, if we do break back above it, it's going to be very good, but as long as we're not breaking above the daily EMA ribbon, we are definitely still in a little bit of a more bearish phase in the market. Furthermore, we can see that the daily symmetrical triangle still broke bearish. No big moves happened yet so far. I've talked about this for quite a while already, and if you're looking at the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, you can actually see that the weekly MACD is also about to be having that bearish crossover. It's super close here. I will keep you guys up to date once it does cross here, because the last time the weekly MACD crossed here was an approximately 280 days ago, what is quite a long time ago. And I mean, for Bitcoin to not cross in 300 days, it is actually quite significantly. So yeah, once the signal definitely is going to be crossing, I will keep everyone up to date here on the channel, because it's going to be an important thing to pay attention towards, because every single time so far it has been seeing a cross, it also indicated a good momentum switch in the market. Just like once it crossed right here, we saw the momentum going back up again. Just like it crossed bearish right here, we saw the momentum coming down again. So important to pay attention towards. The MACD is about to cross bearish, and this could have a very bearish effect on the markets. So that was it for me in today's update video. I truly hope you did enjoy it. If you did like the video, don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.